What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a beauty products declutter video. I am going to be cleaning a little bit in this video just because I kind of want to clean off the counters and the floor space before I dig out all of my beauty products and put them on the ground and all of that good stuff. I'm just kind of touching up things, you know, as part of like spring cleaning. But I am going to do it vlog style, just to kind of sit down, be real and raw with you guys and just kind of hang out with you guys a little bit. So I know my last few videos have been a lot of like cleaning and like a little bit less talking or just talking about what I'm cleaning. So this one I'll just kind of hang out and chit chat and stuff, whatever comes to my mind. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Here, I'm gonna do a quick sweep. I wonder if I should do this video in real time. I've had a couple of you guys ask me. And then I actually seen, what's funny is I actually ended up seeing another YouTuber do a cleaning video in real time. So maybe it wouldn't be so bad, but I don't know. I just don't feel like it'd be that fun without like speeding it up and putting the music. And when I see that in other people's video, it just gets me kind of hyper and in the mood and motivated. I'm gonna keep out this surface cleaner and this towel that I used on the glass or the mirror, and just clean like my products off and everything like that with this, ones that need it. All right, you guys, so that is how my linen closet looks right now. It's not too bad at all. I mean, I just have to kind of reorganize the space there, but it's the decluttering, that's the job. So, and then Ava's right there. She does wanna help. Say hi. So she is going to be helping us today.
You make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Are we going to go through the products? Yes! It's super hot and sweaty in here, so that's how much we love you. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I actually have some new perfumes by Scentbird. You guys know I have worked with Scentbird in the past, and I always get discount codes for you guys and everything because I think they're just such an awesome subscription. But I actually just got 2 new ones and a lip gloss. So I got these 2 right here. The lip gloss is in my daily makeup bag because I've been using the heck out of this lip gloss. It is Melting Lip Balm Pink Champagne. So they just started having some of these lip glosses right here. I'll show you guys up close. But I'm really building my collection with the Scentbird perfumes. Like I have this one right here that I use daily. And then also I have another one that's in my purse that I keep in my purse for like emergencies in case I forget to put on perfume and stuff like that. But it's like $14.95 or something. And every month you have perfumes delivered to your house, and they're all high-end perfumes. So instead of buying the big bottle of this perfume, you're getting like more sample type bottles. But I mean, I use the heck out of these, and this has lasted me a long time. Like when I worked with them in the past, I still have it. I have their information in the description box if you guys want to check them out again, and also a discount code, because you guys know I always try to get you guys discount codes for any products that I personally use. But I like to go to like other YouTubers channels, and I'll go to other YouTubers videos when I know I want to buy something, and I'll see if they have a discount code for that. So I always do that before I buy anything online. I always look to see if there is a discount code on YouTube. Toss out this old razor, this old broken NARS. This perfume I got from Rue 21 so long ago, you guys, and I literally just need to throw it away because it's probably like a few years old. I don't really know how long perfume lasts, but I have so many other perfumes and I hardly use it that I don't need to keep it. This has an expiration. Are you showing them something? You want to keep that, don't you? I think I was gonna keep that. Old bottles of skincare products that I just don't use. I'll throw this away too. And then if you're wondering, I actually got these bags from Grove Collaborative. They are recycled trash bags, so I super duper love them.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late, things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a goal.
So I just got done talking to you guys the whole time and wasn't recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of film since I did mention I was gonna be chit-chatting with you guys a little bit. But I threw away mostly all of the makeup and beauty products that I wanted to throw away, which is this bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these products away. I have 2 of these Tarte foundations, so this one's pretty much gone. I'll toss that. 3 concealers that I am gonna toss the Fit Me one. That it was okay, but it's from last year. I only have a little bit left, and I'm using these NYX concealers that are working well, that I like. So I guess I wanted to talk to you guys because I have been feeling some kind of way. Being on social media and kind of putting my life out here, it kind of means that, you know, I have to be open and honest with you guys and kind of just put myself out all the time, even when times aren't good or I'm not feeling great and things like that. I never fake how I feel with you guys, but with the whole world, you know, I'm always trying to put on a happy face and be happy for my children. I mean, I'm sure all of us are. If you're having a rough day, but you don't want to like show it to your children and you want to like be a good example for them, or you don't want to be a Debbie Downer to like your friends or your spouse, like then you kind of do have to just like put on a face, like not fake, be fake, but just kind of tough it out. And so I tough things out, and I think I tough it out a little bit too much. So I'm just gonna be open and honest. I'm super tired with you. I'm so tired, you guys. Being honest with you guys, I'm just like really tired, and it's like kind of taking a toll on me. I think I'm doing a little bit too much and not balancing it enough. And I have some friends that actually have opened up to their followers and have been vulnerable and showed their vulnerability, and they inspired me. They inspired me to be open and honest with you guys, to tell you if something's going on, or like, I know I have told you guys in like Q&As, I'm pretty open, and I mean, you guys are like, well, you tell a lot of your business, but when you are, you know, trying to be a positive impact for people, it can kind of, it puts you in a place that like, you feel like I can't show you guys like, oh, I'm having a rough day, or oh, I'm sad, or oh, I'm tired, because I feel like I'm supposed to be an inspiration for you guys. Like, I always want to uplift you, motivate you, inspire you. Like, that is what my mission is, you know? Like, I am so inspired by other women, and I'm so inspired by other moms that is the same way I want to be for others. We have some personal things going on right now that are in the works, that are blessings. They are good things, but it's very, very stressful. And I will be sharing those things with you guys soon. Just everything's not set in stone right now for me to share, but we're doing the work. So that has made me have late nights like of no sleep because I'm stressed. I'm thinking how my life is about to change. I'm thinking how my schedule is about to change. Another thing I've been sad about, guys, to be honest with you, is Ava's going to preschool, full-time preschool, June 1st. So I'm going to try not to cry, but she's going to be going to full-time preschool, and, you know, I won't be technically a stay-at-home mom anymore, and, like, the label, like, I will be home until further notice, but like, you know, I won't be raising her anymore because she'll be going to school most of the day. And so we're doing it for a couple of different reasons. Our life we are going to have some changes in our schedule and our life soon, which is fine. You know, you got to do what you got to do. But a few other things are, we really want her to get interaction with the children longer than she is, the 2 half days a week. We want her to get the social skills and stuff that the schools can teach her and things like that. So that's just a choice we're doing. But I'm super sad about it because she's gonna be, that's it. That's kind of I had her home with me for 3 years and now she's kind of going off for a majority of the time during the week, and it's really, really hard on me. And you guys know I'm running my Beachbody business, so I've added that to my plate, and that has been very rewarding. I absolutely love helping people lose weight and helping some of the people, my challengers, like they're so happy and they're doing great. They're doing their workouts. They're in our little group checking in, and you know, it's really nice to be able to help or even get paid helping people with something that's going to make them feel good and something that's going to better them as a person and things like that. So, you know, I really love doing that business. It's just a small little side hustle. It's not, you know, anything extravagant. It's not paying the bills or anything. But at this time, you know, that's not what my focus is. My focus is, honestly, with that is just changing as many lives as possible. So, you know, I've been doing that too. So I just like add that to my plate of like YouTuber, Beachbody coach, a mom, a wife, a house cleaner or maker, you know, it's just like so much. So anyway, that's enough of that. I don't want to down you guys. Like I said, I'm going to clean this up. We're going to put everything back. I'll show you what I have left and throw away all of this junk. I mean, that's pretty good, pal. No? You want to say hi? Hi. Thanks for talking to us. Say thanks for listening to my mom.
Thank you for listening to my mom.
Aww, I can't let her go to school all day. You love school, don't you?
Yeah. Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Anyway, so Ava is waiting for me to paint her nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some kind of declutter inspiration from it. I love doing declutter videos because then everything's kind of refreshed. And I just want to say thank you guys for listening to me kind of ramble on about things going on in my life and kind of things that I'm feeling and all of that. And I know, I just want to put a disclaimer because I feel like putting videos like this, talking to you guys out on the internet, I need some kind of disclaimer, but I do want to mention that I understand some people don't even get to stay home with their children at all. They have to go back to work 6 weeks later after having a baby. Like, I understand that. I did that with my son. I was in school, so I had to go back to school, and I worked at Chuck E. Cheese as a kid, so those are things that I had to do too the first years of his life, the first few weeks, so I totally get it. And you know, everything, I am grateful for everything in my life. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for where my channel is. And I'm grateful for my family and having a roof over my head and things like that. So I do want to put a disclaimer that these, like, no matter what you have, whether you have a lot in your life or you have a little, or whatever kind of struggles you are going through, they're your struggles. So they could be little to somebody and bigger to someone else. I love you guys, and I love what I do, and I love YouTube, and I am grateful. I'm just tired and need to balance everything out better and everything like that. So I just wanted to throw that all out there, and hopefully I can get some great feedback from you guys. I'm sure there's 1,000,001 of you guys feeling this way, so hopefully we can support each other. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.